In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete audience in Mailchimp. We'll walk through permanently deleting contacts from your audience and cover when archiving is the better choice. Deletion is irreversible, so follow along carefully. Start by signing into your Mailchimp account and opening your home dashboard. From the main navigation, select Audience. This takes you to your contacts list where you can manage individual records. Find the contact you want to remove and tick the checkbox to the left of that contact. You can select one or multiple contacts the same way. With your contact selected, look for the 3 More Actions menu near the top of the table and click it. From the options that appear, choose Delete. Mailchimp will immediately show a warning because this action can permanently remove personal data. Here's where you decide between two paths. If you have a legal or privacy request, choose the option to permanently delete for compliance reasons. This is designed for data subject requests under regulations like GDPR or CCPA, and it completely erases the contact's personal information. If you're simply cleaning your list, archiving is generally recommended instead. Archiving stops marketing to the contact and removes them from billing, but preserves historical reporting and lets you restore the contact later. If archiving is all you need, you can stop here after choosing Archive. If you do need to proceed with permanent deletion, confirm that you have a valid reason. Check the box that says the contact asked you to and that you must comply with privacy laws. Then click Continue to Delete. You'll see a final confirmation screen titled Permanently Delete Contacts. Read it carefully. Acknowledge the statement that you understand these contacts can never be re-imported again. This is important. Once deleted for compliance, Mailchimp will prevent you from adding them back with the same data in the future. To finish, type the phrase permanently delete exactly as shown in the confirmation field. This extra step is there to prevent accidental removals. When you're ready, click permanently delete. Mailchimp will process the request and remove the selected contacts. You should see a confirmation message and those contacts will no longer appear in your audience. Quick tip before you wrap up. If you might need historical context or reporting tied to a contact, archiving is safer. Only use permanent deletion when you're fulfilling a legitimate privacy request and you're certain you won't need the data again. That's it. You now know how to permanently delete or safely archive contacts in Mailchimp.